guys, in this video we're going to be talking about how to calculate the area of a triangle. Now, before we do that, let's take a look at the significance of the two formulas that relate to each other in such a fashion. Let's triangle, sorry about that. We've learned previously that the area of a quadrilateral, such as a square, which is a four-sided polygon with congruent sides, is equal to base times height. Okay? We've recently learned that the area of a triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height. Here's the significance of that. If I have a square here, and I wanted to calculate the area of it, I just multiply base times the height. Notice that when you have a triangle, if I bisect a square, I get two triangles. And if you add two triangles together, which is 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1, you get the area of this square. So the area of half of the square is a triangle. Alright, so let's look at an example here. Let's take a look at this triangle here. Have a triangle with a base of 15 and a height of 4. Now remember, our area is equal to 1/2 times the base times the height. Now, please make sure to remember the height of any triangle is the point of which where the vertex meets the base. The imaginary line segment is made from the top of the vertex, or the vertex, to the base. So, using that information, area is going to equal base 1/2 times the base, which is 15 centimeters, times 4 centimeters, which is our height. Okay? So 15 times 4 is 60 centimeters. Now, there's two ways that you can do the rest of this. You can either times it by 1/2, or you can say it's 60 centimeters divided by 2. Whatever makes you feel more comfortable when you're doing these calculations. Okay? You're going to get 30 centimeters squared. Remember to square it. This is why when I take a unit and multiply it by itself, I'm taking it to a power of 2. So that's where I get a square from. Okay, let's look at another example. In this example, it seems kind of daunting because you're like, well, what's the height? Well, believe it or not, the height is 8. Although the vertex doesn't necessarily meet at this point anywhere in the triangle, it does at an imaginary point. This point doesn't have to be in the triangle, but it still shows that this is where the vertex would meet the base, and that is how the height is determined. So, we can still use our formula here. So area is going to be equal to 1/2 times the base times the height, which is 8 inches. So we'll break this down again. And we'll say that area is equal to 1/2. I find it more beneficial to do the multiplication first of the two, of the base and the height. Then you can deal with the half lastly. So we have 5 times 8, which is 40. And the reason I say that is because, again, there's two ways you can set it up. You can either do 1/2 times 40, or you can do 40 divided by 2. Okay? And when we do this, we will get 20 centimeters squared. Okay? Let's do one more example. But in this next example, what's going to happen is the area will be given to us, and we need to solve for the base. Okay. So it says that a triangular shaped rug is put into a house that has a square footage of 18. And 18 feet is just equal to 18 feet squared. And it gives us that it has a height of 3 feet. But it doesn't give us the base, and that's what it wants us to solve for. Believe it or not, you can still use this formula. Just think about it in a different way. Now we have A. So now we can actually put that in. We can still use the half. We don't have B, but that's okay. We can just use it as a variable. But we do have height. And remember, this is all being multiplied. So now we just have to get B by itself, just how A was by itself in the original formula. So, to undo something that is being done to a variable, you do the opposite. So in order to get rid of it being multiplied, or divided by 1/2, we're going to times it by 2. What's going to happen here is the opposite sides of an equation or equal sign have to act like a balance. So in order to do that, what we have to do is whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. I multiply by 2 on this side, I multiply by 2 on this side. So we get 36 is equal to 1/2, or sorry, the 2 will cancel out with the 2, and we just get B times 3 after simplifying, because anything times itself is 1. Now it's being multiplied by 3. So if to undo multiplication, we'll divide. And again, it's like our balance scale. Anything I do to this side, to cancel it out, I do to this side. And we get our final answer is 12 equaling the base, which is equal to 12 feet. Now, this is not squared, because this is a base. This is the base of the triangle, not the area. Alright? So I hope that video helped you guys out. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message me. I'll be doing some more examples of these. But in the meantime, again, if you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me with any questions. If you have any requests for certain examples, I'll be more than happy to help you out with those. Have a good day, guys.